Welcome to Mother Daughter Projects. I'm Steph.
I'm Vicki, and this is the second in a series of top 5 tools, and today they're from
the Home Depot. So our top 5 tools under $20 from the Home Depot. So number 1 is, of course, a Home Depot bucket. So these are great for so many things. We actually use these for storage. We use them for mixing cement and concrete because they're so inexpensive. You could throw them away if they get too dirty. Of course, we clean them because we use them for so many things. But also we have a Ryobi fan that sits on top of it, and it's a misting fan. And so this, it fits right on top. So that's another great use. I also use it to store dog food, some of my dog's treats, because you can get different lids for these. And another fun little thing is right here. So they also make small versions, but they're only available around holiday season. So I don't know if they'll have these again this year, what the story will be, but every time we see them, we grab a bunch because we love the small ones for all the same reasons as the big ones.
Next up is something that you're totally familiar with, and it's WD-40. Well, this is probably the one that you're familiar with, but we want to share this one. This is actually a non-aerosol and it has a trigger spray, and I like this because it's very easy to use and there's not a lot of mess. A lot of times with this one, it continues to spit after you finish spraying it, so this one does not do that. I like to use this for when I'm cleaning like sticky stuff off a glass or something that's shiny. This is perfect for that. Also, you can clean up screws and things like that, and also if you have something rusted and you're having a hard time getting it unloosened, WD-40 is your friend. Now, this is a tip, and I didn't know this, and I've been using WD-40 forever. Yeah. You're supposed to shake this. Did you know that? You're supposed to shake it thoroughly before you use it. This is the same as the aerosol, but in a more convenient trigger package and a lot easier to use.
Number 3, a carpenter square.
Carpenter square.
What? These are awesome.
It seems so boring.
It might seem boring, but everybody needs a carpenter square. But this one has a special
surprise.
So if you've ever marked lumber, anything that's a little bit bigger than 6 inches, you're marking the line, and then there's no straight line anymore. And so this one will extend if you have larger lumber and you need to draw a line for marking. This will do that for you. So this is a great compact, super great option for a carpenter square. Highly recommend.
Yep. Next up is an essential for our PPE. That's personal protection equipment, and we use ear protection, nose protection, eye protection, and this is our favorite, ear protection. And we like these because they're so convenient. We can grab these off the pegboard, put them on. We're protected from all of those really loud tool sounds. I like these because the tips are removable. You can get new ones and you don't have to replace the whole thing. I also like to keep a pair of these in the kitchen because I don't like the sound of my coffee grinder and the vacuum cleaner. So I just get those out of the drawer, put them on, and I can be a happy camper.
And number 4 are these scissors. So these are whisk scissors, and you're probably like, okay, they're just scissors. Well, let me tell you though, these are the best scissors. They are very heavy duty scissors. They have a nice feel to them. They're nice and heavy, have a good weight to them. The blade has no flex in it, so when you're cutting something, it cuts really nice and evenly. And do you ever try to open up a product maybe that's in like a plastic coating and you're so annoyed by it?
Yes.
These cut right, well, these were kind of already cut, but yeah, this cuts right through it, no problem. So these are our go-to scissors. We have one at each house because they're a must.
And we have a bonus tool. Now this is more than $20, but this is worth the cost. This is a DeWalt carbon fiber, very lightweight staple gun. I like this because I can easily pull the trigger and shoot accurately into a board, or if I'm doing any upholstery, but it is absolutely perfect. I love it.
So those are our top 5 products under $20 from the Home Depot with one bonus. And if there's something on your list that we didn't get, write that in the comments below. And if you want to see another video of some of our favorite things from Home Depot, because we like more than 5, I will say that, let us know in the comments. And we actually made one of these videos previously about our top 5 things from Amazon. So we will put a link to that right here. Thanks for joining us.
Bye. Bye.